All right, let's talk about bees. Or maybe we should just talk about the birds and the bees? No, we're gonna talk about bees because we're gonna talk about honey. Honey is very controversial amongst some vegans. There are vegans who still eat honey and consider themselves vegans. I personally don't eat honey, but if you do, don't worry, I'm not gonna judge you. It's your journey. But why not honey? Well, for one thing, honey is the vomit of a bee.
Ew!
Wait, does that mean I shouldn't be calling my girlfriend Honey? Agave, could you bring me some tea?